Boaters Net would like to offer a 2016 Scarab Model 255 HO Platinum Series ski boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Castleton, Indiana, and the asking price is $56,400. The owner states the boat has very low hours and only used a few times during the last 2 summers. It's been inside storage and it's like new condition. Why buy a new boat, save time, take advantage and buy this boat and save thousands of dollars? All options and its Platinum Series. Nice 2016 Scarab 255 HO Platinum Series with wake tower and speakers, ballast system, C-deck extended swim platform, snap-in vinyl flooring, tilt wheel, front swim ladder, custom cover, bimini, and much more. Does not come with trailer. Must see pictures. New over $70,000. For more information and pictures to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.